What's the meaning of autobiography? Autobiography. Autobiography.
Autobiography. Autobiography. An autobiography is a literary work that recounts the author's own life story. It is an account of one's experiences, thoughts, and feelings, often written in a reflective or introspective manner. Autobiographies can be written by anyone, famous or not, and can cover a wide range of topics and themes. They provide a window into the author's personal life and can offer readers insight into different cultures, societies, and historical periods. Overall, an autobiography is a powerful and personal form of storytelling that allows individuals to share their unique perspectives and experiences with the world.